Hey everyone, I'm Blake here from Ocean Protect. Just got back from Tasmania where I was installing 2 Filterra bioscape systems. Upon arrival to site, the systems had been over excavated and the pits weren't installed. Myself and the civil crew installed the pits at the correct height and boarded up the system so that it'd be the correct size. As you can see through the installation photos, we installed the geofabric and the impermeable liner before moving on to the underdrain pipework and underdrain stone. Next up was the bubbler system, which allows for an even distribution of flow throughout the Filterra system. Finally, we added the media, plants and mulch. The site is not due to be finished construction for 12 to 18 months, so this system is being kept offline. During this time, the plants are allowed to grow and establish themselves in the system. Another benefit of this is we can keep any construction sediment from inundating the Filterra system. As you can see by the double silt fence and layer of geofabric, we were really concerned about this site, especially for the amount of silt and clay that was present. For more information about Filterra, visit our website or give us a call. Thanks for watching.